time today and for coming all the way, some of us all the way from Suva, and forward so that we can work on the future.
When I was here this morning, I took on board everything that was said. One of the issues that I thought of in terms of trying to get a solution quickly with respect to, let's say, for example, the police clearance that was being talked about. That's an urgent thing that's required. I think it's advantageous that we have the ministry at the top of the umbrella. We've got Investment Fiji, we've got Film Fiji, Tourism Fiji, all the bodies that are associated with it that are there. But one way of maybe resolving it, I thought, was that if it is a case of, okay, a producer comes in and he needs to be a director of a company that's actually established here, I was told that I had to call a police station to ensure that the release was given with respect to his criminal record, etc. So these are the things that need to probably be shut out to my office, just to say, you know, oh, it's okay to give it, let the work continue, we can extract that later, because at the end of the day, these are very large productions that actually come here, you know, and we have the resources available to us within government to be able to find out information very quickly about anybody around the world. You know, Fiji's pretty much done extremely well with respect to getting information like that. Any investor that comes into this country, we have the ability to do so. But I take on board, I think I'm glad I saw all of that. That's pretty much what we've been thinking. And one of the issues that I come up with quite often when I meet up with the producers, etc., and I'm on the show, and again, it's a common problem, and I'm glad it's been recognized. It's at immigration, TLTV, even at land sometimes. But please be rest assured that these are things that we are constantly working on. This is why I mentioned about feedback. It is so critically important for me to get that back, to take it at to the level where we can actually change the law or fix it really quickly. We have the ability to pass laws very quickly, which is a very important thing for us. And it can be done. In case in point is in fact the 47% rebate that actually came in. We managed to get that quite quickly. I think it was only a couple of weeks, but I hope it was a very fruitful session for you. I'll get some great feedback from Film Fiji and board members. And I think it's important that we have this. It was very important to have those two guys here this morning. They have big productions. You know, the feedback that we get from people who are shooting all over the world makes a big difference for us. We are a growing industry. We want to see it grow some more. Government is fully supportive of it. And there's one aspect of it that really does come out, and it's probably something that you haven't touched on. All that you do here also has, there's an add-on effect to our younger generation that want to be part of this. So if we get the processes right, we make it easy for those to come here. We're not just bringing them in here, making it good for our economy. We're actually making it good for those of us, young ones, I'm young, I think, that are part of the creative world. And I have been around, and Shanaz will testify to this, and the rest of the board members around Fiji. We have a lot of young, very creative people in Fiji, whether it's for dance or film or whatever it is. But this is the kind of education that they need. And some of the stuff does not get taken up, and it's quite disappointing, really, you know, from our universities, etc. We heard the two guys here this morning that there were opportunities available. It wasn't being taken up, so it needs to also come out in the forefront. We need to be a bit more visible. I think Film Fiji, Tourism Fiji, Fiji Airways, TLTV, everybody needs to be a bit more visible about how we do things, and get out in the public space and say this is happening more and more, because it's extremely important to our younger generation, who should really be up at another level by now. You know, with the kind of stuff that we're actually generating from overseas, we've got some big Hollywood productions, Bollywood productions, all of that happening here. We really haven't milked it for what it's worth for our young creative people. Trust me that we have a whole lot of very young creative people in Fiji. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you for once. I hope it was, I see all the TLTV, MITG, FERCA, everybody that was drained, so you must really question them. But thank you for all your assistance from all the government departments. And this guy works for me, so I hope he looks very worn and grown up. But thank you once again, and glad to see you at home, all of you. Wish you well, and I think there's another session tomorrow, Shaz?
was Phil you were picking up on what we're reading today.
Please take that, and you know, my expectation from my level, from government, from a political level, from a policy level, is that we really need to step up and take this to the next level. We really do. And that means not just for Fiji, the economy, also for our younger people, the generations that are about to come. Thank you very much.
I'm going to get this too, but I guess that's, you can't help it. Anyway, on 3, 1, 2, and 3.